I'm setting up WireGuard. Let's have a look at how I'm doing it. I'll show you some of the stuff, all that sort of stuff. So I'm on the remote server that I'm going to be doing it on. I'm in the etc WireGuard directory. If you list that, there is some stuff here. I'm setting up this WG0, so we can look in that. There you go. We've got interface, IP addresses, stuff like that. So this is the subnet and that, and the what am I saying? This is the IP address and the subnet, the listening port, so the incoming port into the network that WireGuard should be on. And then I've got my peers. I have some code in this script here that creates new peers in the config. Don't worry, I will be deleting this server, so the fact you see the public key and stuff, not a problem. That's then stored on the VPN system, so that the VPN system can talk to more than one of these hosts. So if you've got WireGuard configured, you can do WG show. We'll just go up and find that. Oh, that's the IP route. So WG show all. There you go. You can see interface is up, and you can see that there was an endpoint that spoke to it a while ago. The IP address of the endpoint, the IP address, all that sort of stuff. Their peer, all that sort of stuff. To get this working, so that network routing works, I had some issues. I had to make sure. You want to make sure you've set the net IPv4 IP forward, and there's a v6 version of this, which is IP forwarding to 1. Make sure you set it to 1. We're not using any v6. And then down here, you want to make sure you go in here, and you want to configure the port masquerading to do network address translation on whatever your main interface is. So if you do IP show, you see, if you do IP show, you see that the hold on. If you do IP show, where am I going? IPA. Here you go. You see that the main bridge interface has got the IP address on the main network. You could give it any other IP address. You just need to make sure you do that in this command that I had a minute ago. This one, and that way it should work. Yes.